So my body don't lose God. Now I go my everybody sing hallelujah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. And today I'm gonna do this. I'm doing a collaboration actually with Simply Kedisha, and we're doing like a fall. Look me, I don't know if this is fall. I just googled literally like autumn colors. And orange came up and I'm like, and I want to call it jollof rice and berry lips, because you know how jollof rice yeah, you know how jollof rice is like orange but kind of reddish, if you put like tomato puree and stuff. And I love to jazz up my jollof rice. I like to put like vegetables and I like to put meat in it. Actually, AbenaLove has a really good video on how she makes jollof rice, so yeah, you should probably check that out. Yes, I just did like an orange, it's like orange red, and then I got a bit carried away and I thought, I really like wache, so I put purple for like representing wache. And obviously my lips is all over wache, which is like a berry color. I actually did a bit of contour and highlights. I am so proud of myself, but it's honestly just me watching videos. Stella Boateng, I mean, what was he saying? Yeah, that's it. Stella Boateng is so amazing. I don't think she gets enough credit for how really like amazing her makeup looks are. And ShadeyBangs, hey girl, she's fine, like really fine. Oh, also, there's a YouTuber here called Lydia Dinga, and you know how my Freshie encounters, like, she looked at it and then she's like, oh, I could make this in the tag. So she actually made it into a tag, and she's going on her channel, so I'll link that down below so you guys can go watch it. And she tagged other people, so hopefully they'll do it, which is amazing. Like, my Freshie encounters is taking off with my little baby. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy, and I should see you guys on my next video. Bye.
The person I apply is this by Maybelline. It's this Pore Baby Skin and some, I don't remember the last time I even used this, by the way. I just bought it because it was probably on sale, and then haven't used it since then already. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my eyelids.
Fine boy, no they talk chow. Who need me send me girlfriend to come in? Me say will you?
I'm just gonna put some. This is just water, by the way. Water works for me. And then I'm gonna use a transition color because Stella Boateng said that's what you do. So I'm gonna find one of my browns up in here.
So me to me pem so is a mini boss back me to also 5. But I know also 4 for no meaning so 1 4. So when you me call yeah no man me 5. Wow, the created monkey so it's a monkey. Meaning so about sad day. The who and him no the encahe. The job here baby filthy. Them can shashi bio. Yeah penny shilling pilly. No more shashi. Shilling pilly. Shilling pilly. The job here baby filthy. No more shashi, hey, shilling pilly, Mocha shilling pilly, Dinga shilling pilly, hey. Pan is near to 2, near the number on a pole. Unsudo the Anyamiko, me no really cause you be a friend of bomology. When your red card, the out in a fee, no mahiti. She, what a pity. Unika pa and Jimmy City. Blue fuse. You see me here life support. Jammy Hoko, stick of 1 million. Then make a time in the above. What if I made a say jump on the fire to bed? Go, they jump here, baby, filthy. Then can a shashi view. Yeah, penny shilling pilly. No more shashi. Shilling pilly. Shilling pilly. They jump here, baby, filthy. No more shashi. Hey, shilling pilly. Mocha shilling pilly. Dinga shilling pilly. Hey. My boy 10 donkey man for this morning. Sick of you I won't sing. Or they make you carry on. Sick of you I won't ping. But your skills to the B, you know be daddy B. I know go call you Shashi. This be the new name, keeping it for fame. Take pride and for the new game. Brian prepare dirty soup. Confidence try no Johnny boots. They go carry you go house. Prepare me pepper soup. That be the thing where I want to say. I hear you say you be the chief, me be the king. Don't try me one night stand. Hey, don't try me my heat, just dance. The job here baby filthy. Then can a Shashi bio. Yeah penny shilling pilly. No more Shashi. Shilling pilly, shilling pilly. Job here, baby, filthy. No more shashi.
Sasa.
And then in the moto. Oh.
It's rough and smooth. She got swagger.